The main part in our report takes the Samarco tragedy in Brazil. Samarco is a joint venture between mining giants BHP and Vale. Each holds a 50% interest in Samarco. There is a report from 2013 that says decision to allow Samarco increase the dam's height raised concerns over its safety. Officials in Brazil rated dam as highest level for potential to cause environmental damage. But Samarco provided its own independent report that said the dam is safe. Now it appeared that those experts are not even engineers. Another report says that Samarco received serious danger warning from the ground sensors around the dam, just months before the incident. After the tragedy, correspondent asked chairman of BHP, Samarco was alert of the danger, why the company allow operations to proceed? The answer was shocking, we did not think that report was relevant. It is an interesting and unfortunate circumstance that happened but not related to this. This is an example of legitimacy fail, negligence, breaking principles 3 and 7. Timely disclosure is more respected in BHP than in Vale. Vale took almost a week to talk to the press, but BHP posted media release on the next day with CEO's statement. A classic example of protecting legitimacy. The reaction was similar to BHP and Vale. People were protesting in Australia and Brazil at the same time, saying that BHP and Vale are guilty in this tragedy. But protests in Brazil were more massive and emotional. Market reaction. Net profit was down by 232.9%. Dividends down by 74%. Fail of Principle 6. Respect the rights of shareholders. The company had enough money to pay dividends at least this year, and save respect and trust of shareholders and investors. There was just one small mention about the Samarco disaster in the half-year report, but without any numbers, just said it is too early to provide an estimate of the financial impact on BHP. Principle 4, Integrity in financial reporting, and Principle 5, Timely and balanced disclosure were broken. BHP already was sued by Brazil over $5.2 billion. CEO of BHP explains that the reason for the biggest fall in the company's history is a complex event. Samarco is a part of it, together with the oil, iron, and copper prices collapse. Only 1 month after the agreement, Brazil sues BHP and Vale for a huge $43 billion. Decided that 5.4 was not enough. BHP disclosed the information at the same day. The shares dropped by 8% in 1 day. Now the company is trying to restore trust and reputation by providing new strategy to grow value. It is not easy when you have failed and broke so many principles of corporate governance. In November 2015, one dam collapsed. No one was fired from BHP, the only one punishment is cutting all the bonuses from CEO and top managers.